Stop saying help in professional English. If you want to sound more confident and impactful, say this instead. Empower. Welcome to Vocabulary Engine. One powerful English word every day to improve your vocabulary and help you speak confidently. Today's word is empower. Empower means to give someone the authority or confidence to act. It's commonly used in professional, leadership, and motivational contexts. When you say empower, it sounds stronger and more impactful than simply saying help. Empower. Repeat after me. Empower. She empowered her team to make independent decisions. That means she gave them authority and confidence to act on their own. Good leaders empower employees to grow and succeed. This sounds more professional than just saying, help employees. Education empowers people to improve their future. It means education gives them the ability and confidence to succeed. In a business meeting, you can say, our goal is to empower our workforce. This sounds strategic, modern, and leadership-focused. Be careful. Don't use empower for objects or simple actions. Wrong. I empower my coffee. Correct. I empower my team. Empower is used for people, giving them authority or confidence. Let's review. Empower means to give someone authority or confidence to act, especially in leadership or professional contexts. Now write your own sentence using empower in the comments. Subscribe to Vocabulary Engine and improve your English one word at a time. See you tomorrow.